أنا
Yes.
اسمي عمر.
Great, mashallah. ما اسمك؟
أنا اسمي خالد.
Great. ما اسمك؟
أنا اسمي رشيد.
أنا
Say it
اسمي
loudly.
رشيد.
You are doing great, mashallah. Just say it loudly. Ismi Rashid. Say like this, confidently.
اسمي راشد.
اسمي
Great.
راشد.
ما اسمك؟
اسمي إبراهيم.
اسمي إبراهيم.
Great. ما اسمك؟
أنا اسمي موسى.
أنا اسمي
Great.
موسى.
ما اسمك؟
أنا اسمي عيسى.
أنا اسمي
Great.
عيسى.
And now you guys ask me, you guys need to ask me the same question, okay? Just say like, what's your name? Then I will make the answer. And then in the same time, I will ask you counter question like, and what is your name? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
I'm going to start with Omar. Yeah, start the conversation like just ask, what's your name in Arabic? Yes, ask me.
آه
Say masmuka.
ما اسمك؟
Ismi Umar. Wa masmuka. You need to use this noun. Wa
آه
masmuka.
أنا اسمي عمر.
Khalid.
عمر.
You can say Ismi Khalid.
آه.
So just let me know. Did you understand what you need to do or
Yeah,
not?
yeah, I do.
Okay, so let's start again from the beginning. Yeah, ask me.
ما اسمك؟
Ismi Umar. Masmuka.
اسمي أنا اسمي
Khalid.
خالد.
Yeah. Then you have to ask me again.
ما اسمك؟
اسمي راشد وما اسمك؟
اسمي إبراهيم.
Great, mashallah. And ask me the same question.
ما اسمك؟
اسمي موسى وما اسمك؟
اسمي عيسى.
Great. Give a big round of applause for yourself. Great, mashallah. Yeah. Yes. And now I'm going to do the same thing with Laina. Got it? Yeah, start the conversation, Laina. Just ask me the question as Omar asked.
Say
Yes.
that again.
Yeah, ask the same
Masm
question. Yeah, ask the same question as Omar asked. Like, what's your name?
Masmuka.
اسمي عمر وما اسمك؟
اسمي خالد.
Yes, ask me again.
Masmuka.
اسمي راشد وما اسمك؟
اسمي إبراهيم.
Yeah, ask me again.
Masmuka.
اسمي موسى.
Masmuka.
اسمي موسى وما اسمك؟ You can say اسمي Isa.
اسمي Isa.
So one thing that you need to remember, with a female, we have to say masmuki instead of masmuka. Got it? Like we are saying
Okay.
ka, but with female, we have to say ki. So one more time, let's start. I'm going to start with Laina, and let me give you some female's name. So then you can ask.
Okay.
Hold on a second. So did you understand what did I say about ka and ki? When we
Mm.
want to ask about a female, so how can we say masmuka or masmuki? Which one is correct?
Masmuki.
Great, Mumtaz, mashallah. And for male,
ما اسمك؟
great, mashallah. Let me write the female's name so then we can a conversation again. Okay, now, okay. Ask me the name. Ask me the question. Laina,
Yes.
yeah. Ask me the question. Like you are asking to a female. Like, what's your name? So how do we ask?
Masmuka.
Masmuki. Remember that. Masmuki.
Masmuki.
Ismi Khadija. Masmuki.
Ismi Fatima.
Yes. Ask me the same question.
Masmuki.
Ismi Khawla. Wa masmuki.
Ismi Maryam.
Great. Ask me the same question.
Masmuki.
Ismi Rashida. Did you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure that you understood that?
Hmm?
Are you sure about that you understood that? Okay. So you guys have to stand up and try to ask the same question each other. Like you have to ask Laina Masmuki, and then Laina will ask you the same question Masmuka. And remember these things. Like when we ask a female, so we have to say ki, and when we ask for a male, so we have to say ka. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
and just change your answer. Like you guys have to ask three questions. Like Masmuka,
Okay.
yeah, and then you can change the answer. Like if you say first time it's me Omar, then you can make an answer with another name like Ismi Ibrahim, Ismi Khalid, like this. And like the same, you have to do the same thing. Ismi Fatima, Ismi Rashida, Ismi Khalida, Ismi Khawla, this type of thing. Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
stand up. Stand up. Yes. And try to come in a conversation. Try to do a conversation. Yeah, great.
Okay.
Do it fast. Yes, great. MashaAllah. So first say Assalamu alaikum. First say Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Then yeah. Omar ask the name.
Masmuki.
Masmuki. Yes. Yes.
Ismi Lam.
Yes. And then you have to ask Laina.
Masmuki.
Masmuka. It is
Oh,
not a male. It is not a female.
Masmuka.
Yes.
أنا اسمي عمر.
Yes. Do the same thing three times. Yeah. Just change the name. You are doing great, mashallah.
مسموكي.
Ismi Lam.
Change the name.
Change the name, yes. You guys are doing great, mashallah. Mashallah, just change the name.
Masmu. Ismi Fatima.
Yes. And you have to ask
Masmuka.
أنا أنا اسمي زكريا.
Rashid. Oh, okay. Okay, just one more time. Omar asked. Yeah, ask the.
مسموكي.
Yes.
Ismi Rashad.
Great. If no, you are male or female?
I feel like that could.
You are a female, so you can say, Ismi Khadija. Rashid is a male noun. Yeah.
I used
Say
to.
it one more
Ismi
time.
Ismi Khadija.
Yes. Great.
Is
And
Ana
No,
Ismu
I'm saying this.
Masmuka.
yes.
أنا اسمي عيسى.
Great. Okay, just sit down. Sit down. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we go ahead?
Okay.